Hi, it's Brian Mass, Director of Facilities, back to give you a sneak peek of the Westlawn renovation project. We're super excited. It's a beautiful July day. And as you can see from the last time, we have windows now in the structure, the stair structure. You can kind of see the temporary stair rails. We're just really excited to see those glass panels come in and that structure really start to take life. Let's go inside. So we've just come into the lobby of the Westlawn, the first floor of Westlawn. This is where the dining hall is right over there. And behind me you can see we've now opened everything up into the new commons area, the two-story commons area. There'll be a new stairway going in right here beside me to get to that second level. We anticipate lots of student conversations, faculty meetings, just a real community space here. And then behind me will be the community room, which will be for student clubs, the board meetings, and all kinds of connecting between faculty and students. So we're now in the kitchen. This is actually the servery where you'll pick up your food, and as you can see, we've got a tiled finish wall. The pizzas will be cooked fresh and sitting on this desk right here. We've got lots of prep stations. And if we walk over this way, you'll see all of the new kitchen equipment cooking that amazing food. Combi ovens, tilt skillet, burners, flat tops, grills, fryers, all of it brand new to serve up delicious food. And then if we come further into the kitchen, the last time I was with you, this was all wide open, and now you can see these prep tables starting to get put in. There's fridges and storage under each of these prep tables. Beyond is the freezer and cooler. We're just really excited to have this beautiful brand new kitchen. So we're standing in the advanced nursing suite. This is where our nurse practitioners and the doctor of nursing students will do their work. And as you can see, it's starting to look like a real doctor's office. So there'll be a doctor's office table here so that they can practice doing clinical things that would be more like in a doctor's office. And there are 6 of these rooms. 2 are procedure rooms and 4 are exam rooms. And the lights are on, the ceiling's in, and we're really excited to see the finishes coming together. Okay, so now we're in the 3rd floor. This is the student space, the student lounge we're calling it. You can see the ceiling is in, these lights, fixtures are in, there's some cabinetry in the back, and it's really exciting to see these aluminum storefront. They'll have glass in them, sliding door. There's 3 of them here for students to study in, relax, catch a breath between classes, connect with each other. And then down the hallway, you can see that the lights are in, and there's some acoustical panels that are being installed in there. So the finishes in this area on the 3rd floor are really coming along. This is the furthest along in the whole project. And on Monday, they start putting the flooring in. So I'll be excited to show you that in our next video. And finally, we're here on the 3rd floor in the top of the tower, and you can see now that the windows have been installed. This beautiful view out over the west lawn of the campus. Some of the steel structure that's going to be exposed has been painted. And then if you come out this way, you can look through the windows here and see these piers that have been cast down in what will be the new terrace. So this will be a covered structure so that we can use it during rain, during snow. We're hoping that extends the season. It's a larger patio area, terrace area, and we're really excited to have that be added to this project. Thanks so much for your interest in this project, and I look forward to giving you an update in a few weeks.